Hello guys, welcome back to Matt's Motors. In today's video I will be cleaning up my Nissan Micra as best as I can to get it ready for the mods that are ready to come. Don't know if that made sense, but yeah. So I hope you enjoy the video. It'll be quite a short one and just a relaxing one where I sort of tart the car up, make it look a bit better than it does, whilst I wait for the parts to modify the Micra. Right, so I do apologise for the not clean car in the end. It's been bloody terrible weather since I cleaned it, and so it's ended up getting dirty again, so that was a whole waste of time. But hopefully you can see in the process that I did clean it up nicely. The bonnet, once I polished the bonnet, the colour's much nicer, and also it got rid of quite a few scratches. And I think the wheel trims do make a huge difference. I wasn't sure on whether to add them or not. Just because I do plan on getting some proper alloy wheels for it in the very near future, and if you hang on till next week, there will be a video of me hopefully lowering the car, because I've got it all at home ready to go, so it just depends if I can get it on in time, and then the mods can begin. So as always, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you could leave a comment, I'd love that. And if you could like and subscribe, that would be just as good. But the comments are where it's at. So thank you all for watching. I will see you next week.